It's starting to come together. Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, well, you know what to do. Subscribe if you feel like it. Today I will be focusing on getting some of the pillars for the loft completed. And by the way, I'm doing the intro here because there is some phone calls going on in the common area. Once the pillars are attached to the floors, I will do the final installation of the OSB boards on top, and after that I can put up stuff there, and that means that I can take out the seats, at least one of them, do some which I need to do to build new brackets for the other seats, as well as cleaning and new harness for the ECU. I think I have another placement for the ECU coming up as well. I now have locks on my second cupboard. it's starting to come together, as you can see. So the pillars just drilled into the floor, put some studs in, so now it's fastened. And finished screwing all the OSB on top, and then put some wheels and other stuff up there. I will throw away some of it. My new vacuum cleaner, which will replace this one when it burns up, which it will eventually. And the speakers are just placed on top here. I think I will have this positioning and then some extra over here. And I have those signs: car park, musikbörsen, the music store. I might hang those on this wall because I don't think I will keep this whiteboard. And the big one I might hang up here. So now when I've reorganized all the junk, I can finally put my tool cart where I want to have it, which means that I will free up some space here. The vacuum cleaner will not go there. I think I will have this welding machine over there, and then I have more space when I'm walking around the front of my Supra. So I didn't get to work on the Supra today, but I'm closer than ever, and now I have the space to actually do some work on my Supra. So I think there will be some actual Supra work in the next episode. But yeah, so if you want to see that, then please subscribe so you can stay up to date. And until then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.